In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash Dash Now not available issue. Let's get started. First, check if your zone is busy. Open Dasher app and look at the heat map. Red or pink zones usually allow Dash Now. Gray zones typically mean there are enough drivers already working. If Dash Now is unavailable, tap schedule and reserve a furniture time slot. New slots often open later as other Dashers cancel. Some nearby zones may have higher demand and allow Dash Now immediately. Lunch and dinner rushes are usually the best times to check. Next, verify your Dasher account is fully activated. Complete the sign-up process. Make sure all required documents are approved. Activate your red card if required in your market. Wait for the activation email if you haven't received it yet. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app DoorDash. If you see the option of update, click on it. Next, check for DoorDash outages. Launch your preferred browser. Type in DoorDash servers, navigate to the website down detector. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.